So we are actually at the Love Sugar area of the Las Vegas Strip. It's a beautiful Wednesday evening. Beautiful skies. Vibey atmosphere. People just chilling, having fun. A la Las Vegas. We're just taking a walk, enjoying the vibe, feeling a little bit of the Las Vegas spirit, man. That's like every other one. People just enjoying themselves. That's it. Lato, Creepy's area. I love sugar. Now you know what is out there. That's like a candy house. That's a famous flamingo out here.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
You want to eat? No way, check it out. That looks like an inside here. Because you can have casinos all over. So much happening. This is just one small part of the whole area. So much happening out here. Welcome to Las Vegas. Backdrop. Beautiful fountain at the back. Looks pretty beautiful. Amazing. Here, guys. Las Vegas, man. Imagine we are talking about Wednesday in the evening. So you can imagine how it is out here weekends. And mind you, it is not high season yet. This is what happens out here. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Guys.
Yeah, man.
Listen, it's okay.
Yeah, so this is like the entrance to the high roller. That's what you have out there. Where people come over to grab their tickets and find their way to the high roller. Cool area, cool stuff. Stash everyone as well. Grab whatever you want in that direction. Yeah, guys, so you move further, you get to the Caesars Forum. It's a conference center. So it looks like. That's your high ride. Amazing stuff as well. I'm gonna come here later. So that looks like. The line is getting longer.
Warming up for a big Grateful Dead weekend right here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Las Vegas, everybody.
So we're making our way back. Caesar's Palace. Decided to check in inside Flamingo. See what's happening here. Okay. What's that?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say? Your first time to Las Vegas?
My best is little broke bars in the back.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, you have a good one.
You too.
Well, take care. You guys sisters?
Yeah, we're twins.
Oh, I thought so. Wow, you are very, very similar. I wouldn't make the difference. Wonderful. Amazing. This is your first time to Las Vegas?
Yes.
How are you enjoying it so far?
Huh?
How are you enjoying it so far?
Oh my god, 10 and a motherfucking 10.
Oh, really? Oh, that's
Is that
great.
your name, baby?
My name is Marco Pera.
Michael?
Marco Pera.
Michael Gordon.
Marco Pera.
Michael Gordon.
Why call it that way? Marco Pera.
Michael Gordon.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I'll take that as well. Wow, how long you guys been here?
Since Monday.
Oh, amazing.
Today, Wednesday?
Today's Wednesday. So you forgot what day it is today?
We don't know.
Wow. Anyway, so what's your most amazing experience so far out here in Las Vegas?
The fountain.
Oh, the fountains. Where is that at?
Over there at Bellagio.
At Bellagio. Oh yeah, I've been there already. Wonderful. As a matter of fact, we're gonna be going there later during the day to check it out.
Go to the strip clubs too.
Oh really? No comments. Okay, you guys have a good one. Okay, have a wonderful time out here. Just a minute. You got to record and maybe ask some questions and.